We have a Cadillac here, about 100,000 miles on it. Lights are really, really bad. Wait till you see what we do to it. So here they are. Left side bad, really bad. Driver side even worse. Look at that, horrible. But of course we fixed it. Here we go, look at this. Crystal clear, it's like looking through a prism. Look at that. This car's got some miles on it too. Look at that one. Complete transformation. South Florida, Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach County. Give us a call. We're fully mobile. We come to you. Just give us a text. Maybe text us out some of your pictures of your headlights for an estimate, or call us. Thank you.